Hey everyone, so just some quick updates and reminders about our homework. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys a model of what homework should look like for you guys. Of course, if you do much more than this, that's amazing, and if that helps you, continue doing that. But this is the bare minimum of what your homework should look like once completed. This is what I should be looking at when I sign in at 7 a.m. every morning to check off that you completed your homework. So all vocabulary words from the Unit 1 through 2 reading guide are highlighted. So for instance, the encomienda system was one of them. And then if we look in our reading guide, there we have the vocab words. So all of those are highlighted. Underline statements that align to each topic. So as you can see, I have various underlined statements, but ones that align to each topic question would be like right here, or even down here. And then you can also highlight as well. If you want to just change the color of the text, that's completely fine. But somewhere I need to see that you've indicated that that statement answers this topic question, or at least aligns to it. You also should have short notes and summaries next to each paragraph. So see right here, I indicated that this paragraph is about free labor versus unfree labor, and I identified notes I took away from that and so forth. Of course, if you have a smaller paragraph, you only need to do one bullet point, but just indicate what that paragraph is about. And then lastly, I added 3 pictures in here that align to the reading. That would help me kind of visually see what this section was about. So that is what your homework should look like. This is the bare minimum. If you do more than this, like I've already seen so many great examples of people doing different colors of highlighted text, or adding notes on the side over here if they feel like they didn't have much space right here. That's completely fine. This is just at the very least what you should be doing.